Hello, Silvia here, and welcome all to my Mortgage Rev Up review. So guys, that's the newest launch by Mike Paul, and this product went live yesterday on the 31st of October. So, great product. I have just finished going through it. Actually, went to my favorite coffee shop and I watched the whole training. It took me just over an hour to go through the training. So as you can see, to my right or left, I'm always confused as to which side I am on. You will see the members area of this product, so I'm gonna give you a walkthrough. We'll check out the upsells, and trust me, there is so much extra material also in this training course that you will be so well off as to delivering the kind of service Mike is teaching you inside of this training course. So in essence, guys, you will learn how to master the ability of being a middleman, so to speak, for the mortgage brokers. So you will learn how to deliver to them what they want most. And what's that? Targeted leads. So people who are looking, needing, wanting a mortgage. Okay? And there will be a traffic method involved that doesn't cost much, and best part is you will not be paying for those advertisements. Okay, so let's dig in and let me show you all of that, and fasten your seatbelt. It's going to be an exciting review. I mean, Mike is one of my favorite vendors, Mike Paul. I always so much enjoy, and I'm so grateful for the review access he always gives me. Okay, whenever I reach out to him, it's just a pure pleasure interacting with him, and his training courses are just so wholesome. Yes, wholesome, thorough, in-depth, over the shoulder. I like his whole persona and attitude towards the process. And as he always emphasizes in his final thoughts at the end of the training, is don't get stuck in going after the goals alone, so to speak. It's great to have goals, but be present in the process, be present in the now, enjoy it, and because that will create an aura around you that is almost irresistible, and people will sense that. And I'm so appreciating the fact that he knows that, and it just shines through. I mean, the way he delivers the message, and his training course, right, is just beautiful, and he expresses himself so eloquently. I love the sound of his voice, to be honest. It's just something else. He should really do like a voiceover. Anyhow, he could make some big bucks doing just voiceover. Maybe he does it, who knows. Okay, let's dig in. So guys, that's the sales page. I will let you check out the sales page by yourself. Go get that link below my review, ideally after having watched all of my review, if you want to make, guys, an educated decision on whether this is the product for you, okay? Because I'll give you all of the insights and details. I know what I am talking about. I have just finished going through the training, so you will be well informed after having watched my review. So again, this is Mike Paul. Where are you, Mike? There you go. Super friendly guy, trust me. And he's got a very good score on Warrior Plus. So he really very transparently shows you what you're gonna do, what kind of method it is really that he's teaching you, and how you would be making profits with this method. Okay, so the front end, guys, 26.22 at the moment. Okay, it's on a dime sale. It's so well worth. Okay, the price, I mean, it's a dime sale, guys. It's the regular price is $197. So yeah, anyhow, this is Mike Paul. Okay, let me show you his score on Warrior Plus. He has already sold over 100 of copies, so it went live yesterday. I have reviewed many of his products, even though I somehow managed to skip this real estate rescue. AI Unleashed. I have to ask him for the review access actually to this product. I want to review it. I'm very curious. It's got a strong score of over 4 stars. You know, like, yeah, very experienced guy when it comes to local marketing. Okay, I can tell he's been there, done it, got many t-shirts. I mean, as he says in the training course himself, here I have the members area. Okay, he's been in the trenches for many years. Okay, I'll show you the members area in a sec. I just want to finish saying that, you know, what he put here in Warrior Plus is very true, because, you know, this is for consultants, okay? He says consultants get paid handsomely to help mortgage brokers build their list at a crucial time in the market by driving leads that say, yes, I need a mortgage, okay? A crucial time is a crisis, okay? And that's the thing. There is always an immense potential in the crisis. And, you know, he does say it in the training course that most, or even the big guys, the big daddies, okay, so to speak, okay, go into the caves, so to speak, for the lack of a better expression. Go into the caves, go through a phase of a quiet moment because, you know, the market is down. And that's very often a mistake. And also, not just a mistake on their part, but a great opportunity for those who will, you know, sort of take advantage of the crisis and know how to turn it into profits, so to speak. So guys, let's see what else we have here. So the sales page below my review, here will be some upsells, which I will cover later. Now, let me show you what's inside of the members area. So, you know, it's going to look like that. I'm just quickly scrolling down. There's a lot of additional materials you have. Now, you will have it in a form of a training course, this whole program, okay, but also as a PDF. So I would say you've got to go through both, okay? Watch the videos. The videos will take you, going through all of the videos will take you about an hour. They're not over lengthy, okay? As you can see, some of them are like 2, 4, 5. The longest video is probably 8 minutes. He really like cut it short and to the point. He doesn't like over elaborate, if you know what I mean, okay, like I do sometimes. Right, and here we have the PDF. The PDF is, guys, 83 pages long, okay, and as I can see from the table of content, you know, inside of PDF there will be some additional stuff that about to do with LinkedIn, Fiverr and all of that, where to find the clients that I did not see in the training covered. So go through both, but in short, it is a step-by-step video training. So the first one will be obviously introduction. In the second video, Mike will talk to you about the challenges that the mortgage brokers face these days, okay, which is, you know, generating targeted leads, because very often they use methods which are outdated, okay, they don't work anymore. And that's the big issue. And you will be the sort of knight on a shining armor, with a shining armor, knight on a white horse. Oh my goodness, what am I talking about? Anyhow, you would be the hero. You would come to save the day, because you would deliver to them what they want most, which is targeted leads. Again, it's like that's all that it always comes down to, right? Targeted leads and doing business with people who want what you have got to offer to them is easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? Okay, so this is what you guys will be mastering here, getting those targeted leads. And then he'll talk over what's the answer to that challenge. Then he will give you, in video number 5, the rundown of the whole, you know, method he will teach you here. And, you know, the method of getting the targeted leads would be by setting up Facebook ads, okay? And here, and mind you, you would not be paying for those Facebook ads, but your clients. And you would even be taught here, shown here, how to get those interested clients who want targeted leads interested in getting a mortgage, okay? Anyhow, in this video, Mike will show you how to set up the campaign on Facebook, how to create the campaign, and how to, the auto qualifier. So how to qualify your leads on autopilot. So, he will go through the whole he will just show you what categories to choose, what to tick off, like while you're setting up the Facebook campaign, to attract the right kind of leads who want the mortgage again. And here he will, wrap up the whole process by actually showing you how to find clients on a platform called Indeed, right? And he will point you to the right direction as to what clients you should really be looking for. So not the biggest out there on the market, because, especially as a newbie, they would ignore you, okay? But yeah, he found the sweet spots, sort of. Well, in terms of finding the optimal sort of, clients. And then here's like a nice breakdown of how much you should be charging. So as you can see, suggest to your clients that the ad budget of the day would be anything from $10 to $30 a day, and then you would obviously charge them for the ad creation, the setup, and then the monthly management fee, which would be like at no cost on your part, really. Okay, in terms of time, because once you set up the app the proper way, you just it runs on autopilot, yet you would still charge your clients for the ad management. So, and you would be flexible here, obviously. Sometimes you would cut off or cut down on the maybe ad creation or the, you need to be flexible. But he just gives you like an example of how much you could be potentially charging, okay? And his final thoughts. And guys, further down you have some additional materials like assessing your client's ad account, Mortgage Rev Up Facebook ad copy, so the text, the Mortgage Rev Up ad images, Mortgage Rev Up prospecting cover letter, Mortgage Rev Up prospecting resume, so your CV. And they would look something like this. Let me just quickly show you. So all of the additional materials, you will have them here, needed for the whole setup of the ads, and then getting the clients from Indeed, okay, from that platform. I am revealing quite a lot of information because, guys, I guess that's what the review is all about, right? So you have a better understanding as to what you would be learning here, and if you want to, get yourself busy with this way of making money. Right, so that was the members area. Now let me show you the funnel. So the front end, around $27. Me and numbers, okay? OTO number 1 will be, this OTO includes actually a lovely funnel, okay? There will be some inline offers as well, like bump offers, as you can see here. So on the front end you will have the up to 30-day follow-up swipes, $12, and then there will be a bump offer on the OTO number 1, which is the closing agreement form. So let me show you the OTO number 1. This OTO includes assets for selling clients and getting new signups, a professionally written, high-converting script outlining the service, and audio presentation that gets prospects sizzling hot with motivation, and an intake form that seals the deal. Okay, cool. So that's 47, but there will be a downsell at 27. He says it's a light version, so without the intake form. So choose what suits you best. Now OTO number 2 is the second. So this second OTO will give you the edge that you need with an amazing foot in the door tool. It's a book of their own they can give to prospects. Okay, this book teaches mortgage pros how to generate leads on their own, but with a little twist. It's designed to make the steps seem too much for the mortgage broker. There's even, okay, smart. There's even a section at the end that closes the mortgage brokers on calling the consultant for more help. Okay, cool. And there will be a downsell to it. So the upsell number 2 is 47, but the downsell to it will be 27. So if you opt out, there will be a light version of OTO as well. Now, OTO number 3. That will definitely give you a leg up because you will have a mini site along with a lead capturing sort of opt-in, I guess. So it will definitely give you an advantage and, you know, makes you look like a pro. Okay, cool. Okay, guys. So again, the sales page will be right below my review. I hope I've covered everything and you understand now the whole process you would be going here through, you know, to become this knight with a shining armor, okay, to mortgage brokers. So basically you would deliver them what they want most, and that's targeted leads. And again, they would cover all of the costs. You would be just charging them for, you know, setting up the campaign and managing the campaigns, you know, the ad campaigns on monthly basis. And that's it. Okay, quite a pleasant way of making money, I think. All right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Take care. Bye.